Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to sell art on TikTok Shop. If you want to know how it's done, in this video is for you. So selling art is just the same as selling any products on your TikTok Shop. So head over in here under your products. Click on this manage product right here, and then once you have done that, you should be able to see all the products that you have. So what you can do is you can click on this add new product right here, and then this will open in here a new window that will prompt you to actually get what kind of product you're actually selling. So let's upload in here the main image of the art. So I'll upload in here an image that I have in my local file. And then let me just get it right here. Take note that this art is not mine and it's only a placeholder for this tutorial. I give rightfully all the credits to that particular creator. And now that we have that, we just need to enter in here a product name. So let's put in here a product name. Let's name it with Butterfly Girl Artwork by credits to someone. And you can choose in here the category that you have for this one. So you can choose in here home supplies, home decor, and poster and prints right here. And then once you have selected that, this will load like this in order to add that particular category. Now you can select a brand for this one. So if you have a no brand or if it's your own, you can choose no brand right here. And then you can enter in here the product attributes. It can be good for your bedroom, wardrobe, or any place on your actual device or on your actual place. So let's choose in here quantity per pack. Let's put in here 1. And the decoration type, let's put in here flowers. And then on the material, let's put in here cardboard. And the subject right here is art. Make sure to add art right here. Now under product details right here, you can use AI generated product description. So let's just paste in here the actual description or the actual title for our artwork. So click on this generate right here, and then as you can see right here, this will generate the description for this particular product. So in here, we just click on this keep right here and it will be added. Now in here you can also upload the video, and you can see in here the sales information. So for example, you want to actually sell it for 1,000 pesos and quantity is only 1 or 2, depends on you. And you can also put in here seller SKU, and then just put in here the grams for this particular product, and then also the product dimensions. So let's put in here the product dimensions for this one. And then as you can see, this will adjust the delivery options, wherein you can see this one. You can also enable or disable cash on delivery. Once you have done that, click on this submit for review right here. Click on submit, and then once you have done that, this will actually show you this page and it will be added to your product. But first, it will undergo review before it's actually approved and you can sell it. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. We'll try our best to answer. Thanks.